Hi, I'm Alan Bresnick from Light Reading. I'm here with Koji Okamoto from Viavi. Hi, Koji.
Nice to see you, Alan.
Nice to see you. Question for you.
Yes.
Unfortunately, there's been a lot of natural disasters going on, earthquakes, hurricanes, what have you. What can operators and broadcasters do to help provide reliable and advanced warning information to their viewers?
Yes. Yeah, it's very unfortunate. Many, these disasters happening around the U.S., even in the world.
Right.
And I think we're very honored and humbled to be now part of the ecosystem because with the recent acquisition with the Trilithic, now we carry the emergency alert systems. And it has been, Trilithic has been in this business for a really long time. And what they have done is create a very reliable, dedicated tool set for all cable TV applications, which is going through the QAM,
right.
IPTV applications because you want to also start streaming over IP network, as well as a broadcaster who could be in a local TV station. So Trilithic has a very dedicated, purposely built tools for all those three markets. And I think one of the most critical things is that it has to be dedicated and reliably built because people's lives are based upon it and it has to, cannot be used with the consumer electronics. We believe it has to be very much robust. So we went through the distance to actually get all the NEB compliance, which is very difficult to get.
Right.
We've been working very hard to make sure that happens, and all of the Trilithic tools are actually NEBS compliant to be able to provide reliable alert system throughout those three markets.
Right. Now, every minute of more warning makes a big difference. How much of a difference do you think more advanced warnings might have made with Hurricane Maria or Hurricane Irma or Hurricane Harvey?
I think those are really difficult, to gauge, or I do not want to speculate with the really, people's lives. But I think the number one important part is the FCC and the government continue to regulate this market so that they can provide more reliable and better information informed to the people of the United States and other actually countries trying to kind of follow some of those regulations as well. And the Trilithic team has done a great job of keeping up with those changes, and a lot of customers may not know some of those changes being applied, and they need to change the systems to comply for those regulatory changes. So we've been very front end of this to make sure all the tools are updated to the latest regulation from both software side, as well as we discussed the reliability and purposely built from the hardware so it can last for a long time with the challenging environment. It could be in the head end and hub sites or the broadcaster and environments.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Sure.